Welcome back to our channel, where today we're exploring the epitome of luxury living, Dubai's Palm Islands. This trio of artificial islands, nestled in the heart of the Arabian Gulf, is home to some of the most exclusive residences in the world. With their unique palm tree shape visible even from space, these islands are a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of luxury living. Each home on the Palm Islands is a marvel of modern architecture, offering residents unparalleled views of the turquoise waters and the dazzling Dubai skyline. These residences are the embodiment of opulence, boasting lavish amenities from private beaches to state-of-the-art facilities. The lifestyle here is nothing short of extraordinary, offering a blend of tranquility and extravagance that's hard to find anywhere else. Imagine waking up to the gentle lapping of the turquoise waters, surrounded by pristine beaches and lavish amenities. A dream, isn't it? Living in paradise comes with its own set of challenges. While the Palm Islands are a testament to human ingenuity, they are also a reminder of the engineering marvels and environmental concerns involved in building on artificial islands. The process isn't as simple as piling sand on the seabed. It involves a symphony of meticulous planning, precise execution, and strict regulations. It's about creating a balance between the aspirations of luxury living and the preservation of nature's delicate balance. Every grain of sand, every palm tree, and every drop of water here is part of a carefully orchestrated plan to ensure the sustainability and safety of these islands. From managing the impact on marine life to ensuring the stability of the structures, residents are part of this intricate dance. They navigate through a maze of rules and guidelines, not just to protect their investments, but to safeguard their island paradise. As we step inside these luxurious homes, prepare to be awestruck. Each residence is an architectural marvel, seamlessly blending modern design with timeless elegance. Picture high ceilings that add an air of grandeur, floor-to-ceiling windows that invite an abundance of natural light and offer panoramic views of the shimmering Arabian Gulf. These homes are a testament to the unrivaled beauty of living on the Palm Islands. The interiors of these homes are as exquisite as the landscapes that surround them. They showcase a harmonious blend of contemporary and traditional elements, with every room designed to perfection. Luxurious fabrics, handcrafted details, and opulent finishes create a sense of warmth and sophistication that is truly captivating. But the luxury doesn't end there. These homes boast state-of-the-art facilities that cater to every whim and fancy of their residents. Fancy a movie night? There's a private cinema at your disposal. Wish to unwind after a long day? Take a dip in the infinity pool that overlooks the city's skyline. Every feature is designed to offer unparalleled comfort and convenience, and let's not forget about the views. From the majestic cityscape to the tranquil azure waters of the Arabian Gulf, the residences offer views that stretch as far as the eye can see. To live here is to wake up every day to a breathtaking panorama that never fails to inspire. Each residence is a masterpiece of design and comfort, offering views that stretch as far as the eye can see. This is what luxury living on Dubai's Palm Islands is all about. Now brace yourself for the grand reveal, the pièce de résistance of luxury living in Dubai's Palm Islands. Picture this. You're lounging on your own private beach, the sun gently warming your skin. Or perhaps you're sipping on a chilled cocktail as you float in your rooftop infinity pool, the city skyline stretching out before you. Imagine hosting lavish parties in sprawling entertainment spaces, each room a testament to opulence and sophistication. Every corner of these homes exudes sophistication and extravagance. Living in Dubai's Palm Islands is a lifestyle like no other. The exclusivity, the sheer opulence, the tranquil atmosphere, it's a dream come true for the discerning few. This is where the world's elite come to live, to play, to soak in the epitome of luxury. It's a place where every day feels like a vacation, where every moment is a celebration of refined living. The Palm Islands are a testament to human ingenuity, a fusion of modern engineering and timeless elegance. Here, the luxury doesn't just lie in the grandeur of the homes, but in the quality of life they offer. It's about waking up to breathtaking views, having the world at your fingertips, and being part of an exclusive community that values the finer things in life. If you're craving more glimpses into the world of luxury homes, make sure to explore our other tours in Dubai. Don't forget to share your thoughts on this ultimate luxury experience in the comments below, and as always, remember to subscribe for more exclusive content on luxury living around the world. Thanks for watching.